Hello, I'm Hugh from All Preparation Equipment. Today we'll be going through some tips and tricks on how to set up your Polivac low-speed sander polisher to get the best results on site. Before we get started, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to our channel if you haven't already. The low-speed Polivac is ideal for buffing and polishing floors and can also be used as a sander. So to fit the pad holder to the machine, you flip the unit back. Then you've got the clutch plate here. So you fit it on, and once you've got it in position, you twist it anti-clockwise and that locks into place. We've got a white buffing pad on there at the moment. So you place it down on the ground, and then these wheels at the back, just roll them back and flip them up in the air, so it's just sitting on the base plate. And then you can adjust the height of this handle with that lever. You want it to be about the height of your waist, so somewhere there. And then you've got an on and off button for the vacuum motor. So to start this, you press the button and then pull the lever, but you want to make sure you got it central first, and it will start pulling to one side when you start the machine. And also to note, steering it. So to go left, you pull the machine back. To go right, you push the machine forward a tad, and then obviously you push it forwards or backwards to go forwards or backwards. And then to stop the machine, you let go of both the triggers and it stops. So the on and off buttons here, you can't turn it on by just pressing them, pulling them. You've got to press this button first as a safety feature before it will start up, and that's on both of them. The only thing to check with the low-speed Polivac is to check the depth of your pad to prevent damaging your floors. As always, make sure you're wearing the appropriate PPE when working with any machinery, and for more in-depth safety information, refer to the manual. Well, there you have it. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button before you go. If you're interested in any of the gear we showed you today, call us on 1800 422 992. Catch you on the next one.